Okay, Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. So for today we will continue our class and we will learn on how to create a button and make a hyperlink to a certain frame. Alright, so choose medium for your stage, dimension with 800 x 600. Make sure your platform type is action 3.0 and then click create. Okay, so for the first layer, rename it as button. Okay, which means you need to create all the button over here. So we will try to make us 4 types of button with different function. Okay, so that's it. Okay, we need to rename it as home. Okay, change the color. Okay, and then we will have menu 1, menu 2, and menu 3. Okay, then insert another layer and put all your content over here. Okay, so basically I'm going to insert keyframe. Alright, so on the first frame just type home, and then you need to add blank keyframe and put menu 1 on frame 5, insert blank keyframe on frame 10 and type menu 2, and on frame 15 blank keyframe type menu 3. Okay, we are going to test this our works. So just control enter and you will see a blinking text all over the place. Alright, so that's okay. We just want to put a function of stop, but first you need to convert all the buttons into a button symbol. So highlight the button that you created earlier, press F8, okay, one more time, or if it's not working like that, just convert to symbol, right mouse click, symbol, button, registration as default, and then click OK. This one, right mouse click, convert to symbol. Okay, convert to symbol. I don't want to change the name, just leave it like that. Right, convert to symbol. Okay, next we need to put stop. Okay, we test it first lah. We test it first, and you can see the button, the cursor, once it reach the button, the cursor will change into finger point. Alright, so that's it. Okay, next we want to make this thing stop. So go to the button layer, put action, and then put stop. Alright, close it and see what happened. Okay, and it stopped on the first frame. That's good. Next we are going to put an action script. Layer 3, rename it as action. Okay, and then select the button. Alright, I'm going to minimize it a little bit, make it smaller, fit in window. Alright, so over here highlight the button, window, code snippet, take action script, timeline navigation, go to frame and stop. Okay, so when I do this, Okay, there will be a pop-up says the selected symbol require an instance name. It shows that I forgot to rename the instance name for the button. So click cancel, go to properties, name it as the home button. Go to the next button, properties, menu 1 button. Next, menu 2 button, and finally for menu 3, menu 3 button. That's it. Alright, so we go back to the action part, highlight it, go to window, code snippet, click to go to frame and stop. Okay, this one it shows you all the instruction what you should do. Okay, so I just want to delete it. Put stop, don't forget the semicolon, go to and stop to frame 1, because home button it should stop in the frame 1. Okay, close it, and then highlight menu 1, go back to window, code snippets, go to frame and stop. This one is the instruction also, I'm going to delete it. Type stop, semicolon, make sure it go menu 1, it goes to frame 5. Okay, we are going to do the same thing to menu 3 and menu 2. Okay, sorry, menu 2, window, go to code snippet, go to frame and stop, remove the instruction. Okay, go to frame 10, finally menu 3, code snippet, go to frame and stop, remove the instruction, type stop, and then go to frame 11. Alright, we should test right now. Okay, this is a home, this is menu 1, menu 2, menu 3. Okay, go back to menu 1, we go menu 2, go back to menu 2, menu 1, we go to menu 3, go back to menu 1, we go to home. Okay, we check from menu 2. For menu 2, we should go to menu 1, yes, menu 2, go to menu 3, menu 2, go to home, and finally menu 3, go to menu 2, menu 3, go to menu 1, menu 3, go to home. Alright, so that's it for today. So this is on how you need to create a hyperlink based on frame. Alright, so we are going to learn about how to create a hyperlink to a scene in the next tutorial. Thank you.